Welcome to the hottest QuickBooks forum on the internet. Where else can you go post a question and potentially get a free, custom-made video tutorial response just for you? Where at? Nowhere else but learnquickbooksfree.com. You can start by creating a new profile right over here. Once you have done so, scroll down to the appropriate section, and you can either decide to respond to an existing post, or you can create a brand new question from scratch, and we may just reply, or we may even do a custom video response as we have done for others. Looking forward to seeing you all on learnquickbooksfree.com. Click on the forum section and you shall arrive.